and Diakonia, Sweden. She has served on various boards, including the International Federation of Women Lawyers. She is the Chief Executive Officer of the Kenya Witness Protection Agency. A round of applause for her, please.
I thank you, Your Excellency. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may you all arise and warmly welcome His Excellency the President to congratulate the newly appointed judge and the newly conferred senior counsel, and thereafter address the solemn assembly. I thank you.
Thank you very much. Please, let's take our seats. Mr. Deputy President, Your Ladyship, the Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to this very solemn occasion. I congratulate you, Justice Mohamed Abdullahi Warsame, on becoming the 14th distinguished Kenyan to earn the singular honor and privilege of serving as a judge of the Supreme Court of Kenya since the court's establishment nearly 15 years ago. The Supreme Court, as our nation's apex judicial institution, stands as the ultimate guardian of the Constitution and the impartial arbiter of Kenya's most profound legal and constitutional questions. I am pleased to note that over the past 15 years, the court has remained steadfast in the discharge of its solemn mandate, consistently affirming the supremacy of the Constitution, safeguarding the sovereignty of the people of Kenya, and defending the independence of the judiciary. Through landmark judgments, advisory opinions rendered during moments of national uncertainty, and jurisprudence that has strengthened the foundations of our democracy, the Supreme Court has continuously sought to ensure that justice prevails for every Kenyan without fear or favor. As you join your 6 colleagues on the bench, you now assume the solemn responsibility of preserving the court's distinguished institutional heritage, enriching the development of its jurisprudence, and fortifying the foundations of justice upon which our constitutional order rests. Your conduct, diligence, wisdom, and integrity will play a defining role in shaping the next chapter in the evolution of this vital institution and in deepening public trust and confidence in the rule of law. I also extend my very warm congratulations to Jedida Wakonyo Warui and Elder Evans Piga Gaturu on the conferment of the rank of Senior Counsel. This distinction presents the highest recognition within the legal profession and is reserved for advocates whose careers exemplify excellence, learning, integrity, and distinguished service to the law profession. You stand here today because your illustrious service, rigorous scholarship, distinguished advocacy, and unwavering professional integrity have earned you a place at the very pinnacle of legal excellence in our republic. The Senior Counsel Conferment Rules, particularly Rule number 7, imposes upon you an even higher calling. It demands sustained excellence in legal service and practice, distinguished advocacy before the superior courts, dedicated mentorship of younger advocates, faithful service to the Law Society of Kenya, meaningful scholarly contribution to the development of the law, and an unimpeachable standard of professional conduct. Your elevation, therefore, is not merely a recognition of past accomplishments, but also a solemn charge to continue serving as custodians of justice, exemplars of professional ethics, and defenders of the rule of law for generations ahead. Congratulations again to all of you, Justice Warsame, my sister Jedida, and Elder Gaturu, for your earning a place of great recognition in our republic. You have my goodwill and prayers as you get on with the next step in your careers. These recognitions are very well-deserved honors and distinguished milestones. I wish you every success as you continue serving our great republic in your respective roles and as you contribute to the advancement of justice, the rule of law, and the strengthening of our constitutional democracy. Again, to all of you, congratulations and my very, very best wishes. Asante sana.
Let us all rise as we come to the close of the official part of this ceremony with the national anthem, the anthem.